So we're just here, day one of yet another hike.
This one's already good and we've only been going 20 minutes.
Yeah, pretty unbelievable. So we got some year-long glaciers here. Where are we at? We're up in the Stubai Alps near Innsbruck. And yeah, we've got a couple of days up here, so...
Bikers turned hikers.
Yeah, it looks like we're hiking a lot more this month than we are biking. But it is cool and worth it.